In today's video, I'll show you how to change an invoice number in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're fixing a typo, correcting a sequence issue, or simply organizing your records more efficiently, the process is quick and easy once you know where to look. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open your browser and go to the QuickBooks Online login page. Sign in using your username and password, then click Continue to access your main dashboard. Once you're logged in, look to the left-hand navigation panel and click on Sales. This menu is your central hub for managing all customer transactions, including invoices, estimates, and payments. Next, select the Invoices tab within the Sales section. Here, you'll see a complete list of all your existing invoices. Find the specific invoice you want to update, then move your cursor to the right side of that invoice. Click the Edit option to open it in editing mode. Once the invoice is open, locate the invoice number box at the top. Simply click inside the field and type in the new number you want to assign. Be sure to double check your entry. Maintaining the right sequence helps keep your bookkeeping clean and easy to track later on. Now, if you don't see the invoice number box or can't edit it, don't worry. That just means you need to enable a setting first. To do this, go to the Settings menu at the top right corner of your screen and select Account and Settings. From there, click on the Sales tab, then find Sales Form Content. Under this section, make sure the option for Custom Transaction Numbers is turned on. This feature allows you to manually edit invoice numbers instead of letting QuickBooks assign them automatically. Once you've confirmed the setting, return to your invoice, enter your preferred number, and then click Save. QuickBooks will record your change instantly, and your updated invoice number will now appear in your records and reports. And that's it. You've successfully changed an invoice number in QuickBooks Online. It's a small but important step that helps you keep your business data consistent and well organized. Remember, always verify the sequence before saving, especially if you manage multiple clients or recurring invoices. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helped make your QuickBooks experience smoother and more efficient. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other QuickBooks tutorials for more practical tips on managing your business finances with confidence.